So I finally got the motor almost completely back together. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up. This uses a pony motor, which is this motor right here. And what you do is you engage the pony motor by pulling this up. It brings it into gear, and then this is a clutch. And then you start it with this is the valves are open. And then you move it over here, which is starting to run, and this is all the way run. So anyway, the pony motor runs the big Caterpillar motor, or cranks it over. A lot of guys are selling an electric conversion, but I got the pony motor running good enough. We don't need to do that. The one thing I need to do is replace all the there's down in there freeze plugs, and they all seem to have been leaking. So we got a little bit of water mixed in with the oil, but I think that'll evaporate. Anyway, this was a complete removal of the head and ring job. Hone the cylinders, and I also had to weld the oil pan, which is cast iron. I had to use a special rod that I got that really worked good. Thought I was gonna have nothing but problems. Anyway, fuel on, ignition on. We're in gear here. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the pony motor, which is this button here. So it started right up. It's running clean. The compression's way up on this. One thing it had was a lot of blow-by. If you open this up, there is no blow-by at all. I mean, they used to have smoke coming out of there. So I've got a few more things to do. I'm really happy those rings really did the number, man. The compression's up where it's supposed to be. This thing is running like a brand new motor. So with these, to kill it, oh, you always want to make sure you have oil pressure. Kill it. Move that lever forward, or push down on this lever, and it will turn off your motor. Also, make sure that the gas fuel going to the pony motor, you always turn that off, because even I put a brand new carburetor kit in, all the floats leak, and it'll put gasoline down into the crankshaft of the pony motor, so you don't want that. So never forget, always remember to have this shut off. So I'll turn this on. We're ready to go. We pull this compression lever out, and that's letting it run without compression, allowing it to heat up. And the pony motor is jacketed. It's water jacketed, so as it gets warm, it puts water throughout this whole motor to warm it up. And then the exhaust, that's the exhaust. The exhaust goes through the center of that intake manifold and up out. And I want to put a nicer muffler on because these things are so loud. But it going to be a good runner. Going to enjoy grading our road. Anyway, I got to pull this valve train off and then replace the freeze plugs. And I have to buy another one of these. These are the pre-ignition chambers. And this one, I believe, is leaking coolant. So anyway, they do that, I think we're done. Thanks for watching.